आ गए वापस फिलोसॉफियाँ झाड़ने। इस बार शहर से दूर कहीं जंगलों और पहाड़ों के बीच में हम 5 दोस्त बात करेंगे दोस्ती पे। जी हाँ, मेटा डिस्कशन होगा एकदम। एडल्टिंग में कई दोस्तियाँ छूट जाती हैं, बदल जाती हैं, दोस्ती पे नज़रिया बदल जाता है। तो देखते हैं ये क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस के बीच में दोस्ती का क्या हाल है।
What's up? This is Nalin Muzumdar from Kyatan Makki Hills going towards the falls with 4 random weirdos who've been talking about carbs all day. What's the question?
What are my thoughts on childhood friends, college friends? Are they still with you? Is it an effort?
Some of them in spirit, some of them in person.
Now, when most of my friends are married and expecting kids or buying houses, and here I am, and it is one of the most cherished aspects of my life.
तो लिख के लाइए क्या भाई साहब? और सिर्फ तन्हाई में क्यों दोस्त याद आते हैं? बैकअप प्लान वाज या तो सिंगल रहो या तो गेट समवन हु इज फाइन विद मी हैविंग माय ओन लाइफ। वो घर पे कुछ करेगी, मैं बाहर कुछ करके आ जाऊंगा। दैट साउंड्स रॉन्ग बट
Very wrong.
छह महीने में एक बार बात हो जाती है। दानिश को लगता है मैं सोशल बटरफ्लाई हूँ, बट ऑन द स्पेक्ट्रम आई थिंक आई एम स्टिल वेरी इंट्रोवर्टेड, बट
आई थिंक आई एम द सोशल कैटरपिलर, लाइक व्हिच इज व्हाई
एनीवे दिस इज कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस। टाइम एफर्ट तो नहीं लगता यार, इट्स लाइक जस्ट वैसे ही जब तन्हाई में मर रहे होते हो तो किसी दोस्त को कॉल कर लो, बीच में बात कर लो, नया नजरिया उनका पता चल जाता है। बिट्स के लोग की चुल होती है अलग, कुछ नया हर बार पता चलता है, तो हाँ मजे आते हैं। कुछ ज्ञान दे देते हैं, कुछ बकचोदी काट लेते हैं।
और सिर्फ तन्हाई में क्यों दोस्त याद आते हैं? दोनों माइक दो इस साले को, दोनों। हाँ।
I mean, friendship is at an interesting spot right now. You used to be close to a lot of people that you used to meet frequently in college, but now it's basically like the limited 5-6 friends group जिनसे तुम touch में रहते हो, and like other people were good friends, but you're at that stage wherein you thought of just don't interact with them as much, don't make the efforts to, and you are kind of like differentiating कि हाँ यार long term में इस बंदे से शायद एक साल में एक बार मिलूंगा या पता नहीं कितने साल बाद मिलूंगा। लाइक नलिन ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड अ ग्रुप ऑफ 4-5 क्लोज फ्रेंड्स जिनसे 2 महीने 3 महीने में बात हो जाती है। द ओनली थिंग इन विच फ्रीक्वेंसी मेक्स और आई ऑब्जर्व्ड हैज मेड अ डिफरेंस इज कि हाउ मच यू केप्ट अप विद द अदर पर्सन्स लाइफ। So the more you've kept up, the more they share with you and the more your close friendship is. But if you've not kept up with the other person क्योंकि तुम उनसे 2 साल बाद मिल रहे हो या 1 साल बाद, then it's just बकचोदी करो, कॉलेज के दिन याद करो and move on and like meet a few years down the line.
Moving to Teja.
Yeah, I am still friends with all my childhood friends, school friends, college friends, and it's beautiful to see the trajectory our friendship has taken. Now that when I talk to them, looking at them as women whom I looked at as kids.
वो औरत बन गया।
औरत बन गई है. But yeah, it's nice to see how far the friendship has come from discussing our first crushes or prepubescent us to now when most of my friends are married and expecting kids or buying houses. And here I am, and it is one of the most cherished aspects of my life.
एक लिख के लाइए क्या भाई साहब?
But if you hadn't found a partner who would be into trekking, would you be open to going out venturing by yourself without your partner?
It would suck. But हाँ, मतलब बैकअप प्लान वाज कि या तो सिंगल रहो या तो गेट समवन हु इज फाइन विद मी हैविंग माय ओन लाइफ। वो घर पे कुछ करेगी, मैं बाहर कुछ करके आ जाऊंगा। That sounds wrong, but
Very wrong.
I just mean that I'll just go on treks, hikes, have my adventures and come back. Take care of the house in whatever way she wants me to. Contractual रिश्ता. But then उसका point नहीं है, so I was leaning more towards single ही रहो then full freedom.
Like 2 सवाल है। एक तो टाइम कितना जाता है हफ्ते का to be in touch with your college friends, school friends till now, and don't your lifestyles, preferences, interests change with time, and are you able to relate to each other even through that?
सब क्लबिंग पबिंग करने लगे इसलिए तो हमारे साथ घूम रहे हैं अब।
नहीं, सबकी शादी हो गई.
अयो।
शादी हो गई सबकी. What is your secret? You're married and you're still trekking. Married people don't go on treks is what I've seen. Together at least I've never seen married people go on treks.
चुल। I think चुल is the one word answer for this.
शादी भी इसीलिए ऐसे ही पार्टनर होंगे
के ट्रैक कर सकते
है ना?
हैं।
घर पे ना पकड़ के रहो।
वरना तो क्या कि ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो, अच्छा थोड़ा अमृतांजन लेके आना वापसी में, तो वो सब नहीं चाहिए था जिंदगी में.
I think our friendship has solidified so much over the years we spent together in school and college that now it's pretty much on autopilot mode. No one has any expectations of how often you'll keep in touch, how often you'll talk or have
ये
phone
बढ़िया है.
calls. Whenever we do get the time, we'll always be receptive. We'll always be welcoming. We'll go to each other for advice, anything. So since there's no expectation on the other person, I think it works well. And it has worked well so far.
When you say somebody is your friend,
हाँ.
what do you mean by? For example, what will your definition be of कि ये अब दोस्त है?
यार और ये तो हर कोई है.
I have like
But close friends maybe I can distinguish कि I'm comfortable with them. I can share a lot of things without having the discomfort of how I'll be perceived. One. Second, I think they understand me generally. Like if I'm saying something, they know where I'm coming from because I've stayed in touch with them. Whereas it's some random person, I would not talk to them a lot. So that's how differentiate close friends versus normal friends.
I keep changing circles. Like right now we are into fitness, we are into trekking, triathlons, whatever. So we have a circle which is into similar activities. Tomorrow, I don't know, if you go into scuba diving, maybe the circle might change. I am curious how Danish manages because he doesn't really put an effort into keeping friendship. Still, he has friends from a long time ago.
थोड़ा सा मेरा तितली वाला सिचुएशन है. I'm just, you know, like, oh, I like this, I'll do this, oh, I like this. अच्छा ये project, अच्छा ये goal. And then people sort of come into my life. I don't really foster those bonds. I've created a sort of aura, which is like, अच्छा, this is what Danish does, this is what he's about. And people with the same matching thing, vibes वाले लोग, they are just like, अच्छा, you're doing this, okay, let me join. अच्छा, you're doing this, okay, let me join. And most of my friendships have been fostered through activities mainly. This has started changing now. बैठ के बकचोदी काटना दोस्तों के साथ, that has started happening more. But primarily it was still that we enjoy doing some activities together because primarily I enjoy doing the activity, so I am doing it regardless of other people. And if other people want to join, and then that sort of natural human tendency to form those social bonds, उसकी वजह से हुआ है, whatever. Friendships have happened.
As Nalin said, you hang out, you do stuff together. But are there any friendships wherein people share their deep, dark insecurities, problems with you? And do you do that with the other person? Do you have such close friendships? Because, as you said, most of your friendships are based on doing something mutually, like you and your friends want to do, but never spend time outside of that together.
Through that it happens then. Like cycle चलाते I'll just reveal something, and then they'll really reveal something, and then we'll be like, oh shit, ये तो थोड़ा deep हो गया. And then we talk it out. It has all happened organically. But I've never felt the need to sort of open up about something fucked up. It's happened very rarely. 1 or 2 times. And that too only with Nalin, I think.
I mean, I think in that sense is where close friendships for me differ.
That I can hang out with n number of people, but there is that set of 5 friends or 4 friends who, when I'm really, really down or really need to speak to someone like without any filters, that is the person I'll call. I mean, they are sort of a backbone. I've not had very close relationships with generally friends, cousins, I mean, family. So they've been sort of the guiding light also at times.
And do you also become a guiding light for them in journeys?
I think in that sense, it's very reciprocative. If you don't give them the time, I mean, you can't expect them to give in the time. That's why a lot of friendships broke off. But the 4 or 5 that stayed now, it's not that we have to hang out together. We can call each other in a year and still like be as open as always because it's been on the 8-10 years of friendship has been set.
For example, with you guys, you said ki when you have something to talk about, you then reach out to your close friends. With me, I usually find that friendship in whoever my partner is at the time, whoever my boyfriend is, or whoever I'm in relationship with. Which is why I think I change my personality with every partner that I get into a relationship with. That person becomes the person I share most of my things with. So I feel like I don't need anybody else to share things with.
एक्चुअली बात करने से मैं फ्रेंडशिप नहीं मानता हूँ. कभी कुछ अच्छा मोमेंट बना होगा एंड आई नो इन माय गट कि अगर कभी फिर से मिलेंगे तो सेम मोमेंट शेयर हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. तो दैट्स हाउ आई डिफाइन.
Chamdi, laka. We'll be back after a short commercial break where I try to outrun this pedo.
For me, my other option was doing an arranged marriage. By now, I would have been a चूल-मूल person, like 1-2 बच्चे हो चुके होते. अभी मैं घर पे खाना बना रही होती, मेरे पति के दोस्त घर पे आ रहे होते न्यू ईयर्स पार्टी के लिए. I don't know. I mean the other.
सुनो जरा कोकम का शरबत लगा दो. अरे बना देगी अभी 5 मिनट में.